powerful prayer of cleansing and purification. I ask my guides, the forces of light, with the help of the angels and all the superior and benevolent spirits concerned, to join their efforts and power so that a total cleansing, purification, and restoration can now be carried out. Complete state of my physical body, my energetic body, my aura, and all the planes of my being. I ask that all negative and harmful energies and negative thought forms currently within my physical body, my energy bodies, and my aura are now totally and permanently destroyed, dissolved, or disintegrated. If some entities cannot or should not be destroyed, let them be removed or cast back into their original plane of existence. May all present negative and harmful energies be now eliminated or purified. May all negative memories be linked to past events, unresolved conflicts, or ancestral memories, and may all these memories be now completely erased. May all strings or links connecting me to entities, to harmful energies, to a restrictive past, or to people harmful to me, be completely cut. That all acts of whatever order, whatever nature, and whatever origin they may be, which have been voluntarily carried out against me, or which have affected me accidentally, or which have reached me through third parties, through entities, or through my ancestors, may all these acts now be destroyed, diluted, dissolved, or deactivated. I ask that each of my energetic bodies is now carefully controlled, verified, and restructured, that the whole is perfectly refocused around my physical body, balanced and harmonized, that the shifts and deformations are removed and corrected, that the envelopes are repaired, holes plugged, energy leaks eliminated, all breaches, tears, wounds, bruises, and erroneous programs be corrected and repaired. I ask that my entire physical body, my energetic body, my aura, and the various planes of my being be now totally cleansed, purified, balanced, harmonized, cleared of any unwanted entity or presence and of any defilement, and that my entire energetic structure is repaired and balanced. I ask to be flooded with light, positive energy, and universal love, and to be permanently protected. I ask that all of this be done now. By the grace of God, so be it. Thanks. I thank my guides, my angels. I thank all the superior and benevolent spirits who have provided their help for the accomplishment of these actions and purifications, as well as for their protection, and ask them to remain present, vigilant, and active around me until all negative entities have been destroyed, discarded, or returned to their original plane, and all energies have been purified. Thanks. In the name of light, amen.